people ask, are Americans financially secure? Are Africans financially secure? Are we secure? Are you secure? Am I secure? That's the question you need to ask. Okay, and then we find that more people are experiencing financial insecurity now than ever before. 70% of Americans are stressed about their financial situations. And so many financial priorities, fewer clear solutions. If you look at the right there are so many options that people get, and they get confused, and they are real estate, medical insurance, savings. What is the right? So finding a solution to manage all the risk to your financial well-being can be very overwhelming. So then people say, then who gets it right? So we come to the world. The world trusts experts to manage all aspects of their money. Okay, at First Financial and at Dan Clare, we come in and say, what if we could level the playing field so that not just the wealth, but also the lower class and middle class, we level that playing field so that all of them are at the same level. And that brings us to our vision, where a world where all people achieve financial security and have peace of mind. But then you ask, then what's standing on your way, or on our way, or on my way? What is standing on our way? Actually, you come back and say, number one is the financial capability. A lack of financial capability is the number one economic crisis in America. So you find that 1% adults have zero retirement savings. 5,910 is the average credit card debt for balance carrying in each household. And then you find that 15% of Americans with the student loans are behind, or they're not even making payment. And 41% of Americans have not saved enough to cover for 3 months of expenses. So we come into 61% of Americans fear running out of money in retirement than they fear death. So every day you work, the money you make, and you feel you live very comfortable with that income, you need 80% of that when you retire so that your life can be the same. So people say, no, I have Social Security in place, I have 401k in place, I have all this. Social Security actually is designed to cover only 40%, and then those who are lucky, who saved through their job 401k, it covers another portion to make a half of that. But then what about the rest? So that is when we come in and say, you need the personal savings to fill that gap. Okay? So, our solution for financial capability. Number one, we come in and we educate our people. We educate our communities. We educate our families. So together, we teach Americans how to navigate their finances, help financially capable people to make effective decisions, and secure your financial future with innovative life insurance and annuity products. And then we develop educators, partnering with the National Financial Educators Council. We develop agents into effective financial educators who serve, educate, and empower their communities. Then we realize that all people All people need financial security now and the generational wealth in the future. So, solution number 2. When you see me talk out here, I'm talking to you because I need to understand like where you are, where you are you on track? What if a crisis hits the ground? So the number 2 solution, we use what we call a need analysis. And the need analysis, or the agents develop financial strategies using innovative life insurance and annuity products to meet each client's unique, because we are all different. Our needs are not the same. Your need, my need, other people's needs, they are not the same. And that's why we need to know what are their goals? Are they on track? How about, are they protected from a crisis? So life's risk can be daunting, and this is untimely death. Leave your family with outstanding debt, ongoing expenses, and a loss of income. Number 2, we have, what if you suffer an illness? Then you can manage a healthy crisis alongside a financial, what can be very, 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 very hard. So if you lose your income with a chronic illness, you understand what that means. And then if the 2 did not occur as you are living your life and then you live old, we solve outliving your retirement funds. Some people have too little saved for retirement, and this can lower their quality of life when they retire. So untimely death, as I've said, or that money that you put in place can be used to cover the lost income, the funeral expense, mortgage, rent, childcare, and outstanding debts. And then we find that 40% of families could face serious financial hardship with the loss of a wage earner in only 6 months. Actually, I don't want to say 6 months. In only 2 months. Can you believe that when you lose a wage earner, and then we starting to GoFundMe, WhatsApp, we put this, we raise money because we want to give this person a befitting send-off. And then all this money goes with them again. Nothing is left. So in 2 months, the family is struggling. And then number 2, financial protection against suffering an illness or an injury. Our modern insurance solution also have over access to living benefits. Living benefits, that's key. You can use while you are still alive. If you have a qualifying illness or injury like heart attack, cancer, or a disabling injury, you can spend your benefits however you need and pay for lost income, long-term care, medical expenses, outstanding debts. So your finances are the last thing you should worry about in case of a crisis. So number 3, outliving your retirement funds. If you don't save enough, you definitely outlive them. So we want to enjoy a reliable stream of income in a retirement to maintain your standard of living, protect your wealth, ensure legacy for your family instead of debt, and income for life. So we teach people strategies to take control of their financial future and financial crisis protection, protected against market risk, long-term care, tax-deferred growth, tax advantage income, supplemental income, retirement, flexible access to cash, legacy for the next generation. And then provide for your goals with selected insurance strategies. You can get flexible access to the money in your policy and use it to pay for expenses that enhance your life, such as buying a home, a vehicle, or college education. And when you are doing this, you're doing it all without the risk of traditional investing. So what do we use? We use the power of indexing. Power of indexing is to protect the years of accumulated growth and save on those years of recovery with guaranteed principal protection. Any interest you have gained is secure and protected from market downturn. Your money grows tax-free. Who could not want their money to grow tax-free? Uncle Sam. Okay. When the market is up, your money is up. And when the market is down, your money is protected. That's what we do. So what are the risks of traditional investing? Things like stock market. When the market is up, we have upside potential. And when the market is down, downside risk. So, and you realize that when you lose 10%, you have to work harder, more harder, 11.2% to break even. You come 30%, you have to work 42.9% to break even. If you lose 50%, tell me, you have to work 100, like you never did anything. So to start saving it all over again. And then our strategy eliminates the downside risk. And that's what we call indexing strategy, whereby we have the upside potential with an average of 5% growth, and there's no downside risk at all. It's eliminated. So enjoy the gain without the risk. Our strategies make your financial future simple. Protect against life's risks, protect your goals, and reduce market risk. So that is what we do, number one. We teach, and you have seen what I've told you. Now we have number two, and that's why actually I called you here. I said, come and join this so that you can listen to our POP, like business opportunity presentation. Lands here, number two, is a financial opportunity. So we find that 96% of US workers are seeking another job. And I understand that you know somebody who is looking for another job. And then 63% of adults believe starting their own business is a good career move. We have encore careers, whereby we have 60% want to keep working past their retirement age. So fit your work around your life and not your life around your work. And then we can say, enjoy the freedom of saying no. No boss, no fixed work hours, no vacation day restrictions, no problem working from home, no lack of training, no confusion about what comes next, like, am I going to lose this job? And then no stalled income. Stalled career are those people who work past their retirement age. Okay? So our solution is financial opportunity. We offer. So come and join a vibrant industry. In 2022, the US insurance industry net premium totaled to 1.7 trillion. That's 2022 only. And then with tremendous need, 101 million adults do not have enough life insurance coverage. So we have a work to do here. And then 48% American adults have no life insurance, not only Americans, even Africans.
Ako nyo there, come on.
And then we have tremendous need is equals to opportunity. 72 million millennials, 28 do not know how much to or what type of insurance coverage to buy. 65 million Gen Xers, 40% of Gen Xers have no retirement saving, and only 55 participate in employers sponsored retirement saving plan. And then 71 million baby boomers, the biggest wealthy transfer, 84 trillion will be passed down through 2045. 16 trillion will be transferred within the next decade.
Mom, you made one?
So join us in helping financial security and peace of mind. Somebody's talking. Can you mute them, please? Yes. So, if you decide to come and join, you own a business without the burden of taking care of all this. Enjoy building a business without the hassle of taking care of everything. With First Financial, it has put place everything: marketing, startup funds, licensing, website. You have actually 3 websites. Then the products have been put in place. You don't have to go search which is the best company. Then the system, which is scalable, the system, it will make you succeed. Administration fee and all those things that you take care of. So our system makes things simple. You have the training 24/7, marketing, technology, all these sales and support and product is in place. And we have proven system to build your business, accelerate your growth, impact your community. So we have all these trainings that are in place. We have talked about them and keep on going. So yeah. So with the trainings that we offer, and you have a dedicated coach, every FFS agent gets a coaching from a dedicated business coach. Learning is not just for the classroom. Your coach will take you in the field and give you hands-on experience with clients. Surround yourself with coaching and leadership you need to build your business. So, in many times when you start something new, it feels like you're dropped in the deep end and you're struggling to swim. So, do you want to sink or swim? At FFS, we hold your hand and we make sure that at least you know how to swim before we let you go. Investing in your success, we are flexible enough to hands-on in every agent training. With FFS, every agent is essential. So, collaboration over competition. We don't compete. With our system, everybody is invested in your success. We believe in collaboration and working together to bring people financial security and peace of mind. So we have like a one team that working together. We are all one team. So strength lies in differences, not in similarities. We are changing the face of insurance. Your diverse experience is an asset. Meaning, as we come from Kenya, we are like 42 tribes. And we have people from Nigeria. We have people from different parts of Africa. You know, all of us, we're different. So we invest in your development because everyone deserves the opportunity to build a business of their own and make a difference in their communities. And then we have a digital marketing system. You command your virtual presence. So, like today, I don't know everybody you are listening. People are from different parts of the country and even the world sitting here. That is what exactly we are talking about. And then I understand everybody has this gadget. This gadget here is live there. So you can run your business from this only. Then prospect with engaging blogs. We have blogs in place. Maintain client relationship with automated email, which is set for you. You don't have to worry about it. Or with your customized contact details. So everything is personalized. So we have a system for expansion, scalable by design, and proven with success. So I'm gonna stop here. This is part 1. And stay tuned for part 2. Part 2 is where you really don't wanna miss. Come next. I will be doing this every Thursday at this time from this place. Come so that we can do part 2 of this presentation. Thank you so much, and thank you for your time. I really appreciate. But for those people who have questions, because I know some people have questions, we really want to get a one-on-one touch. You can go to danclair.com and then you schedule a time that is perfect for you. Select, it will take you to our calendar, then you schedule a session with us. We would like to meet with you and answer all the questions you have. Thank you so much. I appreciate and have a wonderful time. Thank you.